everybody, it's Elle. Thank you for watching my channel today. I am a little bit under the weather for the holiday, so I decided to have dinner here with Mr. Traveler at home. I just got back from Michigan. It was very cold there. The weather change made me sick. As you can see, I have on my pajamas. Fuzzy socks. So I decided to do another cooking video, and Mr. Traveler is cooking a seafood boil. Come with me when we go to the market, do the seafood boil, and eat. Thank you guys for watching my channel all year. I appreciate your support. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everything. Thank you for supporting me. Have a safe, happy new year. Let's go.
Produce on that side, meat on that side.
Okay. So we at the market.
You go look at the meat or the...
We're inside a barn. Oh, is that fresh feta? Yummy. Inside the barn. The real Costco.
That's the real. That's the end.
Is that the ELS? I want that.
That's the
Ooh, I want that.
full flip out.
That's so awesome.
That's what we need right there.
Alright, so we're a little ahead of schedule here already, and I had filled this pot about 3/4 of the way with water and added a half a cup of Old Bay in there. To that I added up 1.5 pounds of smoked sausage. I had 4 ears of corn that I cut in half. I have 1 onion that I quartered and put in there, half a lemon, and a little bit of bay leaf, and a little bit of and 1 clove of garlic. You let the water come to a boil. You add the potatoes first. I had red potatoes that I cut in half. You let that cook for 8 minutes, and then I added the corn and the meat, the sausage, and the onions and the garlic. And I let that cook for 15 minutes, and now we're getting to the end stage here. We're going to add our shrimp for about 4 minutes. And those lobster tails can go into the boil, but I prefer to broil them. And we're going to add the jumbo shrimps.
They've been cleaned and deveined.
Look at those bad boys. We left the tails on.
I didn't know they've been cleaned and deveined.
Yep, they've been cleaned and deveined.
Cleaned and deveined.
Ready to go. So I have 1.5 pounds of these, and they cook for 4 minutes. Tongs, get them down in there so they cook. Okay, I put some fresh garlic butter on our lobster tails, and that is all. And in they go for about 6 minutes on a high broiler. Don't overcook them. Then we're going to add, this is probably the most expensive part of our meal, king crab legs. They've already been cooked, so they just really need to be warmed up. These really just need to be warmed up because they're already pre-cooked. We got these at Costco. And they basically almost steam because they're sitting on top. Then we just go for about 5 more minutes and we'll be done.
Hey.
Ready? Okay, so here's our boil. We'll pull our legs out. Normally, we dump this on a newspaper, but being a little more refined today. Dump this out. Like an army, and it's just you and me.
This is too much food.
We need to call some friends over for dinner. One more minute on this lobster.
Yeah. all done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up if you love this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I'm uploading any videos. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye guys. Happy New Year.